Good dog. Yes, you're doing very well. Let's go this way.
Gate 7 is clear. Send the next group. Copy that. Moving now. Check the sensor at zone 3.
Reading steady. Airflow is optimal.
The accuracy rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
Good. We should check the large femur bin before the next cycle.
Check the flow rate on scanner 3. Looks consistent with the previous cyclical.
Routing confirmed for calcination prep.
Acknowledged. Data transfer complete.
The south silo is almost at capacity.
Yes, the flow rate seems steady. We should prep for the next batch.
Check the conversion rate at the 400-degree mark.
It's fluctuating slightly, but still within the acceptable parameters for the current run.
The transfer to milling is complete.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All parameters are nominal. Vibration frequency is stable now. Confirmed. Flow rate looks good.
We have a slight fluctuation here at gauge 3.
I see it. Adjusting the dial now to compensate.
Temperature holding steady at 85 Celsius.
pH is stable at 7.2.
Confirmed.
The current parameters are stable, but let's optimize the thermal exchange here.
Agreed. Increasing the coolant flow by 5%.
The balance indicator is stable at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. We can maintain current RPM.
The conductivity is stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. We are within the neutralization parameters.
Are the parameters holding steady?
Yes, everything is within the acceptable range for this batch.
The particle size is stabilizing right at the target micron level.
Confirmed. We are ready for transfer to the blending stage.
The flow rate on gate 7 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the laser frequency now.
Based on these results, we are cleared for release, Manager.
Confirmed. The certification is approved.
The calcium phosphate is heading to vat 3.
Confirmed. Flow rate is steady.
Check the flow rate on the sorbitol line.
Flow rate is stable at 99.8% precision, authorized for release.
Viscosity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good, the hydration looks complete.
Seal integrity looks good here. Sure. Flow rate is within tolerance. I've logged the data. The temperature in tank 3 is stable at 35 Celsius.
Good. Maintain the agitation speed.
The flow rate is stable at 500 milliliters per minute.
Confirmed. The laser sensors are showing precise dosing.
We are introducing the binders now. Monitor the vacuum seal.
Seal is holding steady. Levels look good.
The torque levels are holding steady within parameters.
Good. The pressure differential is stable as well.
We're holding steady at 300 Kelvin.
Perfect. Let's maintain this blend for the next cycle.
Here we see the flavor injection phase, where precise blends are rhythmically added via these ports, while workers verify the timing.
The sensor reading is holding steady. We have achieved the target green.
Confirmed. Approving the batch sequence.
The shear thinning is still too high. Let's increase the mixer speed.
Confirmed. Vacuum holding steady. We are within parameters.
Look at the sight glass. The micro bubbles are gone.
Yes, clarity confirmed. The batch is ready for transfer.
All parameters checked and confirmed.
Alignment is spot on. We are good to go.
Roger that. Initiating startup sequence.
Check the alignment on batch 42. It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the cyan levels.
The flow rate is perfectly calibrated.
Yes, the volumetric accuracy is holding steady at 99%.
We've got a pressure drop on line 3. See the spike?
Yes, logging the rejection now. The robotic arm is engaged.
Maintenance, this is Supervisor Alpha. We have consistent speed on the new line, but the sensor on station 4 is fluctuating again.
Check the throughput on screen 3. We had a slight dip 5 minutes ago.
Yes, but it looks like the synchronization adjusted automatically.
The wrap tension looks good on this. Yes, much better than yesterday's shift. Let's maintain this speed.
We need to reroute the Kansas City shipment.
I'm on it, adjusting for the weather delay now.
We need to reroute the Kansas City shipment.
I'm on it, adjusting for the weather delay now.
Get that pallet secured for the forklift. Copy that. Almost done wrapping.
As you can see, the pallets are loaded with millimeter precision.
Every morning, this convoy ensures that critical shipments, like millions of tubes of toothpaste, reach their destinations on time.
A little more, keep coming back straight.
Yeah, receiving the shipment for aisle 4 is clear now.
A little more, keep coming back straight.
Yeah, receiving the shipment for aisle 4 is clear now.
A little more, keep coming back straight.
Yeah, receiving the shipment for aisle 4 is clear now.
This section looks good. We achieved the perfect alignment here.
Agreed. The new layout significantly improves product visibility.
All right, those are all packed up. Have a nice day.
Precision engineered, seamlessly delivered, readily available. The complete end-to-end solution, bringing innovation directly to you.